Recently, I uploaded a video regarding job seekers visa in Germany where I have explained what job seekers visa is, what is eligibility, how to apply, what documents are required, etc. If you have not seen that, then I recommend you to go and check that out. Here is the link. It will take just 5 minutes, but you will get to know all useful information about job seekers visa. But there are still some questions which are unclear and very specific, such as how much money do you need in your bank account to get job seekers visa? When 6-month period of the job seekers visa starts? German language is mandatory for job seekers visa. Should I hire a consultant to get job seekers visa? Why am I not getting appointment slots? If I don't have 5 years of experience, can I get job seekers visa? Is it worth during pandemic to move Germany, especially if you are married or have a dependent family? Is it easy to find a job, especially if you don't know German? So let's discuss one by one. But before proceeding, the source of the information that I am going to share is purely based on my own research, survey with my friends, and studying official websites. I would recommend you to validate by yourself before making any decision based on this video. Just a disclaimer. You can use the timeline below if you want to jump to any specific question or topic. So question 1. How much money do you need in your bank account to get the job seekers visa? Okay. It is important to show that you have enough fund to support yourself for the 6 months while searching for the job in Germany. This can be done by showing a statement of income certificate, salary slips, bank statement, etc. If you opt to provide a bank statement, this should be a recent and issued from your bank showing your name, balance and date. In general, your proof of fund should show that you have at least 860 euros for each month of the job seekers visa. For the full 6 months, this would be somewhere around 5,160 euros approximate. I would recommend to have always more to be on the safer side. Alternatively, you can supply a letter from your parents stating that they will support you during your job hunting period. In general, the letter should be signed and notarized. Question number 2. When 6-month period of your job seekers visa start? Well, it depends. After successful submission of your documents, if your visa gets approved, you will be called for the stamping of the visa. At this point, you need to submit your travel insurance documents and air tickets showing that your date of travel. If you do not have tickets booked, then you can tell them your tentative date of travel. Based on that, your visa duration will be decided. Question number 3. German language is mandatory to get job seekers visa? Okay, as per the document list provided by the German embassy in India, it is not mandatory. Check this link to get full checklist of the required document. Question 4. Should I hire a consultant to get the job seekers visa? The only difficulty that you are going to face while processing job seekers visa application is the availability of the appointment slot at embassy. And I heard that there are some consultancies which promises that they have reserved the slots, and some of them also promises that they will provide you the job, accommodation, transportation and everything. I am not sure at what extent this is true or appropriate, because I never opted for any consultancy, so I cannot comment on this topic. But what I can tell you that the process is not that complicated. It requires some efforts, some patience and precise preparation of documents. If you follow this, I am 100% sure that you can get your visa by yourself without hiring any consultant. But again, it's your decision. Question 5. Why am I not getting any appointment slots? Okay. Germany applies a strict policy of transparency and equal treatment. However, they also want that all applications must get processed within time. Considering the high demand and continuous increase in the application, as well as India becoming the virus variant country, the border rules are frequently changing. But according to the local news, it seems that the officials are working on finding the solution. The travel restrictions will be eased out for those who possess certificate of full vaccination. So in short, depending on the border guidelines, availability of the visa appointments will get extended. So keep patience, keep trying, and get yourself fully vaccinated as early as possible. Question 6. If I don't have 5 years of experience, can I apply for job seekers visa? Check this. As you can see, according to the checklist provided by the German mission in India, this says relevant previous work experience certificate for future employment in Germany are required. They did not mention it as a hard number of 5 years. However, if you check some websites from Germany, they says that 5 years are required. But after doing further research, I found that there is no hard criteria on the number of years of experience. So the answer is, it is not mandatory to have 5 years of experience. More or less is also fine. Having good amount of experience will help you to secure a job as early as possible. Having said that, I would again like to tell you that this is my research and my experience. Please validate by yourself also. Question 7. Is it worth during the pandemic to move to Germany, especially if you are married or if you have a dependent family? Obviously, this varies person to person. If you are financially strong and you can afford the risk, then I would say it is worth to give a full try. But in case if the risk is not affordable, then try to convert the risk into calculated risk. So what does that mean? As you might know, Abraham Lincoln said that give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend first 4 sharpening the axe. This is a power of preparation. It applies to you as well. Polish your skill, make yourself confident in a way that when you put your foot down into the market, you will shine like a star and you will nail down the opportunity that you will find. You have to be that confident. Question 8. Is it easy to find a job, especially if you don't know the German language? If you are into programming, then it will be simplified. But if you are not belong to technology field, or if you are more into the management, then probably language learning is important for you. You can always take a language course. Trust me, learning a new language is really interesting and it will give you such a special feeling. Question 9. What is the success rate of landing a job during a job seeker's visa period? This question is kind of difficult to answer, but as per my analysis, there are 2 categories. Category 1. If you speak German language, you have sufficient amount of experience and your soft skill or people skills are really good, then I would say your chances are pretty much higher. I would even say that 90 to 100% you can get a job within the 6 months. Category 2. You have good amount of experience, your soft skill and communication skills are also good, but you don't know the German language. Then the success rate goes a little down, but it is absolutely possible to get job. You would need a strong references or a good amount of friends here and you have to put more efforts. If you have any other question, doubt, concern related to the job seekers visa, then please write them in the comments and I will be happy to share my knowledge. I hope you like the video. Please help me by liking the video so that it will give me a motivation to keep creating content. Alright, that's it for the video. Take care, stay healthy and stay wealthy. Bye-bye.
Coast to coast, I rock it most times, no sweat. Be the you, get what we do and never forget. Now's the time, fall out of line and take your first step. 3, 5, 4, 4. I smell hip hop and I want some.